Welcome back to Hydro Help 911. Today we're addressing a common question. What is that smell after completing an encapsulation? Let's find out. When it comes to mold treatments, we use a safe chemical that may emit an odor. Don't worry, it's harmless to breathe and touch. Think of it as the refreshing scent you experience when your home is professionally cleaned. Now let's talk about the encapsulation. When we install our 20 ml liner in your crawlspace, you may notice a new product odor. It's similar to the scent of fresh carpets. Rest assured, this smell is completely normal and nothing to be concerned about. Once your crawlspace is sealed, the odors have nowhere to go but up due to the stack effect. As warm air rises, it carries the smell with it, effectively eliminating them from your living space. When we set up a dehumidifier, the smell gradually dissipates. The dehumidifier helps to improve air circulation, which enhances the stack effect and pushes that air, along with any remaining odors, out of your crawlspace. It's important to understand that these smells are actually a positive indication that our mold treatment and encapsulation processes are working effectively. They may differ from the musty, earthy smells that you are accustomed to, but rest assured, it's a good thing. Hopefully this short video allows you to better understand the smells that you may encounter when a company is performing a mold remediation or crawlspace encapsulation. If you have any further questions or concerns, our dedicated team is always here to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.